Hey guys, today I'll show you how to set up Windows Server 2025 on Contabo VPS. So let's start. Head on to Contabo and go to VPS. Click Cloud VPS. Then choose a plan. Let's start with Cloud VPS 20. Let's start configuring our VPS. So we will select our term length. You want to select 12 months. That would be just 6.25 euros. If not, you can pay 8.33 euros per month. For region, select the closest one from your area. Let's say if you are in Europe, you can choose European Union or UK. And if you have a target audience in the US, you can choose United States. So I'll just select European Union for now. And for storage type, I always choose 100 gigabyte NVMe. So this is faster than the regular SSD. But if you want to choose SSD and you don't need much speed but rather storage, you can choose the regular SSD. And for image, be sure to choose Windows Server, and its license is 18.45 euros. Select Windows Server 2025 Datacenter. And for backup, you can add a backup. If not, just proceed to number 6. And also, if you want to have multiple IPs, just choose an IP add-on. So for add-ons, I don't need object storage, and we will manage our servers. So select and managed. And for monitoring, so I will monitor my own server, so I will click none. And we will generate a password for our login. So just click generate new password if you want to generate a secure password. So just copy this one. I'll store this in a safe place and click next. And we will register a new account. I'll just fill this one up. So I have filled up the necessary details. And if you live in a VAT country, for instance, Germany, you will pay for the VAT. So just click next. Okay, so I'll forget the telephone. I'll just add this one here quickly. Okay, I'll just click next. Okay, I'll just pay my invoice. So I'll choose PayPal. By the way, Contabo only accepts PayPal and major credit cards and debit cards. So as of now, they don't accept cryptocurrency. Okay, I will proceed to PayPal. Okay, so I have added PayPal as my payment, and I'll just click order and pay. Okay, I'll just close this one quickly. And we will wait for a few minutes or hours. So this is the maximum setup time, 3 hours. But Contabo sometimes set up the VPS earlier than 3 hours. So check your emails for any updates. I will go to my email right now. So Contabo emailed me the login details, and let's log into our Contabo. And you can enable two-factor authentication if you want to secure your server. So I'll close this one, and let's go to the new panel of Contabo. So just go to this link. Okay, we will create a new email for that one. Let's go back to my email here. Okay, we will change our password. This is for the new control panel of Contabo. So just click here to proceed, add a new password and submit. Okay, we'll add a secure one and submit. So let's go back to application and we'll sign in. Okay, so this is our control panel of our Windows Server 2025 data center. So our VPS is already set up, and here you can control your VPS. So just click these three dots and you can reinstall. If you don't want a Windows operating system, you can reinstall to Linux. And you can reset your credentials, change your display name, and you can manage your snapshots and backups, VNC, and you can order a new license if you want a license other than Windows 2025, and you can also move to other region. You can upgrade your VPS anytime. So now our VPS is ready. Contabo emailed me that the server is already set up, and to connect to our server, just run remote desktop. So I will run remote desktop. Okay, so we will connect to our IP address. I'll just paste the address here and let's click connect. Go to more choices and choose use different accounts. So we will use administrator. Enter the password for the administrator. So this password is created during the Contabo VPS configuration, and click OK. So just click yes. And we are now connected to our Windows Server 2025 data center. We'll just close this one. So this is a server manager for Windows. So you can configure this one to install. For instance, if you want to host WordPress, you want to install IIS. And okay, let's open our browser. We will just proceed to Geekbench. Okay, let's download. So this is for Windows. Let's see. Okay, we will install Chrome. Okay, we will run our Geekbench. Okay, we will run CPU benchmark. So this is the Geekbench 6 result for a single core and for multi-core score. So this is how to set up Windows Server 2025 data center in Contabo VPS. So if you have any questions, just drop them on the comment section down below and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video.